Hello, this is Victor from Aqua for Life Integrative Massage and Watsu. And today I'm here at the Lloyd Athletic Club where I practice integrative massage and bodywork. Valentine's Day is around the corner, and I would like to take this opportunity to ask you a question. It's like, what is something that you can do to find a connection towards your loved ones? What about giving them a massage in their neck and shoulders? So today I would like to share with you a simple massage sequence based on Shiatsu that we can use for neck and shoulders to make our loved ones and partners feel loved and just make them feel good. So yeah, I just would like to make a point on Shiatsu. Shiatsu is a Japanese massage that's focused in acupressure and, and mobilization and stretching. So this massage is performed on top of the clothes, and I'm gonna give a few tips here and there, but just to make sure that um, I know may not be professional massage therapists, just to take it easy, to just be gentle and communicate with your partner to make sure that there is no pain during this treatment, and if there is any injury that's happening before the massage, that happened before the massage, to make sure that you ask very carefully about these areas of injury, and for sure go and seek some professional assistance from a massage therapist, physical therapy, or chiropractor. So we're gonna start just being a moment of connection. So it must be just a couple minutes, maybe 5 minutes, but make sure that all the thoughts that has been happening this morning or this afternoon or during the day, just to connect with your breath and let those go so you can be present and give all your love to your partner. So maybe you can put your hand on your chest, the other on your abdomen, and just take a few deep breaths into your abdomen. The Shiatsu, the connection with your breath is really important. So just start connecting with your own breath first. And whenever you're ready, you can connect with your partner's breath. Put your hand in the back, the heart area, connecting with your breath, with your own breath, and synchronizing that breath. And take as much time as you need to be here. When you're ready to move on, you can bring both hands into the shoulder blade area. So we're going to be doing kind of a hug of the shoulder. We're going to use big surface, so you can either use both hands or even include the forearms into the hug and keep connecting with that breath. There is a slight movement that happens, just follow that movement. It's a gentle but firm pressure. You can move it in different places around the shoulder blade. Just bring kind of like a sandwich. You can bring it all the way down the arm. Generally, in Shiatsu, when you breathe in, let the pressure go, and when you breathe out, you can offer pressure. If you find a place that calls you to stay a little longer, you can stay there a little longer. Just connect with your own intuition, with your deep listening. hug the hand with both hands. And after that, you can go to the other side and do the same thing. After you are all done with the other side, you can come back to the same side that you started with, and we will start using a little more of the acupressure with either our thumb. We're going to go borderline the shoulder blade. Just use your thumb here. As you notice, I'm trying to pin the pressure coming along this way. I'm not pressuring from here. That's uncomfortable for me and for her. So from here, the pressure comes from my whole body leaning. Just along the shoulder blade. Maybe you can repeat a couple times or 3, going from the top to bottom. You can also, if the spine is in the middle, just to the side of the spine, which is where the bladder meridian goes, just go down. There is always one hand that supports and the other hand that offers the acupressure. Not on top of the spine, to the side. So if you feel like, oh, there is a bony area, so just go to the side. Sometimes you can feel some places, and maybe your partner can say, oh, that's a good spot, so maybe you can stay there for 3 deep breaths.
That's a good spot.
Okay, take a good deep breath there. Just be there. This is being rather than doing. Let the breath help her to release the tension. You can also go along the shoulders, so maybe you can stand up if it's more comfortable. Just lean. I am not just pressing up with my thumb, I'm just leaning with my whole body. You might be doing the lateral part of the shoulder blade. This is a little tender, so putting your thumb there might be a little too much. You may want to just use your whole palm, this side, the heel of the hand, and the other hand is just in front of the shoulder, just to being a counter pressure. You can use your thumb, more of a thumb pressure on the arm, all the way down. And there is a good spot right in the hand, right here, where you can put your thumb. So you put one hand and the other thumb just in the middle of the hand. Just in here in the middle, there is like a little curvy area there. So just put your thumb there. This is a very relaxing point. And then we can go to the neck. So what you can do is maybe support the head and ask if that's okay.
Yes.
And with your thumb, you can just go all the way to the base of the skull and just put your thumb right there. And you can move it in different places, just from the bottom, from the base of the skull towards the ear. So from the center towards the ear, you can find some good spots there. Or you can go from the base of the skull along the spine down. Remember to keep connected with your breath and with the receiver's breath. after you do that, you can do a little bit in front as well. So there's the chest area over here that we started with the hand. Now we can do a little bit of thumb. So just along the clavicula or below the clavicula, there are a couple good points. Just explore where are the good points, and you can ask, how does it feel here? How does it feel here? And your partner will be able to tell you. Now, with more practice, the more you have practice with using this kind of communication, the less words you will need. Your hands are the ones, your hands are the ones communicating. So it's like a conversation you're having with your hands, between your hands and their body. You are always welcome to use your words, like in any other communication that is verbal and non-verbal. After that, you can go to the other side and repeat the whole process in the other side. Once you're all done, both sides, we're going to do a little stretching. It's a very gentle chest opening. So very gentle with your knee here on the spine. So I'm going to just lift my heel, put my knee very gently on her spine, and I'm going to ask them to have a good deep breath. I'm going to put my hands on the chest area and just lean back when she releases the air. You may be able to repeat that maybe a second time or even a third time. That's a little chest opening here to open up. And now we're going to bring our hands up. Take a good deep breath. We're going to put the knee in the same place and just stretch up and release. And this might be a little more advanced stretch, but I want to show you as well, just as an opportunity to bring a little gentle traction on the neck. So I'm going to put my thumbs here on the base of the skull. And my other hand is going to just rest on the jaw. And I'm going to just, from here, I'm going to go slightly up, taking a deep breath. And I'm going to lift with her very gently. So I'm doing this movement. I'm here, and I'm just going up this very little. It's just this little, once she's breathing in. Just to lift the neck a little bit and give some space there. After that, we're going to start closing up and wrapping up. One hand is going to go where we started on the back. The other hand, if it's okay with the person receiving, you can either put it in the distance, or maybe you can put it all the way into the chest area and kind of do like a sandwich again. Just take a couple deep breaths there. And we'll do, just to finish, one hand, the base of the skull, the other hand will go on the forehead. And it's up to you to listen, or up to your partner to tell you what they need. Sometimes you must be able to be here, because that's where it feels comfortable. Maybe there is like barely touching, maybe there is like more like a hugging pressure. Is that right? Mm-hmm. Now we'll finish with our hand again in the heart area, connecting with our breath, synchronizing together. Very gently, just let go. And honor your partner. Thank you very much for your time and attention. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and please give it a try and let me know in the comments how is it going. If you have any questions, you please let me know. I'm here to just be of support, and I hope that you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Thank you.